Hi babes, welcome back to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for showing me love. Go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and leave a comment or comment when the video is done. Whatever your choice is. But we're going to go ahead and move on right along with the video. And today, if you can read the title always gives the video away. And pretty much that's why you clicked on it. Today we're going to be doing kind of like a review. We're going to be applying some lashes. So I got the Mascara, the New Way to Lash by Kiss. I didn't know these was out, but I did. Like after I bought them and I looked on YouTube for some videos, I actually seen it. I guess they came out like 3 or 4 months ago, but they look like this and they come in a little package. They're pretty much kind of like, I'm gonna read what they say. So they say, if you can mascara, you can mascara. It just say you brush on the bond, which is the first step. Second step, place the wisps underneath your lashes and lock in with seal. And it seems really easy. I do know how to put on lashes. I don't feel like I'm a pro at it, but I do know how to put on it. I just wanted to see like if this was a little bit easier and see how long they last, because like I do prefer to wear lashes because I don't have a lot. So my thing is like going out, one thing that I would love to do is have on lashes and have my eyebrows done. So I feel like this is kind of like an alternative to doing getting like extensions. So it comes like this. It's probably like a glare. Just throw that on the floor. Well, I might need to pick it up to go over the instructions again. And I believe it was $18.99. First time I got them, I thought it was a little bit pricey. I went to Walmart and I didn't see the price of them. And after I rung them up, I was like, I ain't gonna get these yet. So then I was just thinking, I was like, I really want to try them. So like 3 days later, I ran to my CVS. They was the same price and I bought them there. So they come with some tweezers. Seem like they're pretty sturdy, like some pretty good tweezers. They don't seem like the little flimsy cheap tweezers. And then they come with the mascara. On one side it says bond with biotin, and then the other side says seal with vitamin E. And then right here it just has look like some wispy lashes. And what they have is you get like the package kit, which comes with all of this, and then they have like you can just buy the lashes separate. I'm trying to see on the box if it say how long they last. It say wisps are designed with the micro band and feather like fibers to be applied easily, seamlessly, and comfortably under the natural lash. So they don't go on top, they go on the bottom. The bond infused with biotin. Bond is non-damageable and primes the natural lashes to prep the wisps. The seal is formulated with nourishing vitamin E. Seal removes any tacky residue and locks the wisp in place for all day wear. And the applicator, which is the tweezers, patent pending applicator, has a unique angle tip and a non-stick finish for optimal wisp placement. To prolong the life of your applicator and wisp, after use, wipe off any bond residue with rubbing alcohol or makeup remover with gentle care. Wisps are reusable. They say no clumps, no smudges, no strips, no damage, no mistake. So I should be making no mistakes with these. When mascara just isn't enough, you love the look of lash extensions, you don't want to deal with strip lashes, the New Way to Lash. Okay, y'all, so I hope y'all can see me. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the bond. Make sure you can see it. Well, this is a little wand. It's very tiny. I like this wand. say a little goes a long way, so I'm not gonna like over submerge the little wand. This is my magnifying glass. As y'all can see, I don't have like a lot of lashes. So then I'm gonna just take the lash out. This lash out. I actually have one. It's a little lash. Okay, lash. Okay, y'all, so I got on my floor and I could not find the fifth one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to improvise. I'm going in with this and I'm adding some more. I'm adding some more bond. Okay, so I added some more bond. I don't have like really big eyes. Yeah, this one do not want to stay. Okay, so I got that one on. I'm gonna add the fourth one. This fourth one is giving me a hard time because it's like in the corner. And on top of that, I have really watery eyes. So, I feel like looking in my mirror, I think I only use 4 because I lost one. I can't find it. So I don't feel like I can give you like the real review of how it looked on this eye because it's like halfway done. But I think if I wouldn't have lost it, I would have liked it. So since I got all 5 for this eye, I'm going to put all 5 on this eye because I looked for the other one that fell somewhere on the floor and I can't find it. So I'm going to put all 5 on this eye. Do it the same way, just this time I'm not going to drop it. And yeah, and I'm sorry, like I got this big old mirror. Okay, so I'm going to take my time on this a little bit more. That one went on a whole lot easier. I don't know what I was doing on the other eye. Yeah, I feel like my nose starting to run. My eyes starting to run. I know that much. Yeah, I don't know what was happening on my right side, but I'm actually doing a whole lot better on my left side. I think I'm holding it. See, I'm holding the tweezers. I think I'm holding the tweezers a lot better. And instead of trying to actually take the little line that's on the lash and glue it up underneath my eyelid, I'm actually taking the lash and making sure the lash is actually sticking. I only use 4 on this eye, and I think they look really good. I'm gonna take my little blow dry. I don't know why. I just want to take it. Do y'all see that? And now I'm gonna go ahead on this eye, and I'm gonna add the biotin oil to seal the deal. Seal these bad boys. As far as these go, I'm looking over here and I see them in the mirror, and when I look in the mirror I can see them, but when I look at my camera I can't see myself, so I don't know exactly what y'all see, and I won't be able to see it until I edit. So y'all let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'll definitely be going to buy just since I have the bonding glue and everything. I think they also have like the remover. I pull out my lashes anyway, so I guess this probably will help me stop pulling out my lashes, because if you ain't got no lashes, you can't put them on. Because when I was putting them on at first, that's the mistake I was making. I was trying to put them on my eyelid, and you have to they're literally stuck to your eyelashes. So you need lashes, some type of lashes. That's what it's gripping on. But I think they look really, really good. I'm here for it. I think this was like a good investment. I think it's worth $20, especially if you can reuse them. I would like to sleep in them and see how they look in the morning, like if they're still there, or if one is on my forehead or in my nose or in my mouth. I don't know, but I would like to see that. But I guess I'm gonna just come back like with another video and an update video and let y'all know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to come back. And I love y'all.